Go get this money real quick. Cartwheel. Cartwheel in full effect. Fuck you. Hey. What's going on? I don't think it's broke. How you doing? Picking up a catering order?
Alright, give me 1 second.
Alright.
You right on time.
Right on time.
You don't delay, do you?
Nah, I gotta move around. I got some other stuff to do. It's a big order. Go on.
What's the name?
Oh, the name is Tony Reeves. Well, I don't need my bag. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right now.
You have a nice day.
You too.
Pardon? You should have friendship, but I it's on. I don't know what it is, but I know it's on.
You said black olive?
I mean, we got a month. It's good out there.
Yeah.
You don't need my bag. Keep the bag. All right. Show